Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to achieve this very beautiful colorful look. So stay with me and see you further in the video. First I'm gonna prime my eye using Instant Anti-Age Concealer from Maybelline. Then I'll blend it in my lid using Wet n Wild P25 brush. I will start with applying this bright yellow color from Revolution Reloaded Marvelous Mattes palette into my inner corner. For that I will use a blending brush. I will gradually apply layer by layer until I like the intensity of the color, and as you can see, I'm just tapping the color into my inner corner. Now I will take this flat blending brush and apply this reddish color onto my outer V. After that I'm taking small pencil brush and this orange shade from the same palette, and I'll apply that between red and yellow, making sure that they are well blended together. Using my small blending brush, I will take just a tiny bit of black shadow from the palette and apply it in the crease area. Make sure all the colors are well blended, but don't go too much up or down with black color so you don't create a muddy effect. So keep it in the crease. Now I'm taking a clean blending brush and again tapping it into the same orange shade I used before and applying it over the black color. After that I'll take this long blending brush and apply the purple shadow again over the black and orange. Using the normal blending brush, I will take the same purple color, but just a little bit to diffuse the edges. I will take another clean blending brush and blend the edges until I get that smooth, smoky effect. I will need just a bit of white color for that. Using the same brushes I used before, I will apply the same colors on my lower lash line without taking any more product. For the end, I will add white eye pencil into my waterline. This is Golden Rose Long Stay Eye Pencil. And after that, I will go off camera to apply eyeliner and finish the look. And I'll get back to show you guys the final results. See you soon! Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you like it. So, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!